Alright, teacher and student, this is Mr. G and we're here for another freeze frame tutorial. So this one is going to be about editing. For this demonstration I'm going to use Imovie, but you might want to use any other kind of software. They all work kind of the same, so even if you're editing on another one, that still might be useful for you and your student. Alright, let's jump in. Before we start anything, I just want you to get organized. So create a folder where you're gonna get all the picture, music, sound effect that you're going to use in order to do your editing. So let's open iMovie. Here we go. And the first thing we want to do is go there to project. Then we're going to create new, and it's going to be a new movie. So before we do anything, once again, we're gonna go there and we're gonna click on iMovie right there, and we're gonna go to preferences to set the photo duration. So right now it's 0.1 second, which basically means that we're gonna need 10 pictures in order to create 1 second of our movie. If you realize that this is too fast, you can set the photo duration on 0.2 seconds. Alright, so now let's import those pictures. So you can click right there or this button right here. Alright, so I'm going to select the folder that I'm looking for. Here we go, and picture. I'm gonna press Command A to select them all. Then I'm gonna click this button, Import All. Alright, so now all my pictures are there. Once again, I press Command A to select them all. I'm gonna click, drag, and drop all those pictures in the timeline. I can press the spacebar to see how it looks. And yeah, the animation is pretty nice and smooth, so I guess that's okay for now. Now we're gonna talk about sound. First thing you might want to do is to record a voice. So in order to do that, you'll see it's very easy with iMovie. You're gonna click this button right there, and we're gonna press this red button. Here we go. Hello. And I'm gonna press one more time to stop the recording. So now, as you can see, underneath our video track, there is an audio clip. So this is the voice we've been recording. We can see that the voice is right there. And what we're gonna do, maybe we're gonna get rid of the beginning because there's nothing there. So we're gonna go at the edge of our audio clip, and you can see the arrow changed. So we're gonna click and we're gonna pull that in order to trim our audio clip. Next thing we want to do is maybe to add a little fade in. So once again, there's this little spot there, fade audio in, and we're going to click and pull this one there. All right, that sounds good. Now let's see how it looks at the end. Oh, there is a very big part with nothing. So once again, we're going to get rid of that. We're going to use another technique. So I'm going to press this audio clip, then I'm going to press Command B. What's happening now, my audio clip is split in two different audio clips. So I'm just gonna delete the one that I don't want. Once again, little fade out. And the last thing I might wanna do is to adjust the volume. So you go there and you click and you pull that to just for my voice to be a little bit louder. All right, so that sounds good for the voice. Maybe now what I want to do is just to add an ambient sound. So once again, I'm clicking this button to import a media. I'm selecting the folder I'm looking for. So sound effect, and it's going to be bird and forest ambient sound. And I import that. All right, so now this sound should be there. Yes, there it is. So once again, I click, I drag, and I drop that into the timeline. So basically, this is what you want to do for the sound aspect of your editing. Maybe you'll need to adjust the volume of every audio clip. You'll see, just be confident and see how it sounds. All right, maybe now what I want to do is just to add a little title. So we're going to click right there on titles. And as you can see, there's plenty of different titles. So let's say I'm going to select this one. And once again, I click, drag, drop, and here we go. My title is there. I'm gonna write the title I'm looking for, and that's it. You're done with the editing. So one last thing to do, just export that. So we're gonna go there on the top right of our screen, and we're gonna click there, share, and we're gonna share that as a file. All right, and just check that. Resolution, quality, always go for the best. Compress, better quality, why not? We're gonna click next, and we're gonna give a title to that. Here we go, and it's gonna be on my desktop, and I just need to press save. Now we just need to wait. All right, the share is successful, so we can close that, and we're gonna exit iMovie. And as you can see now, my video file is right there. All right, that's it for this tutorial. As we just saw, editing is not so complicated. So basically you always need to follow the same process. Just get organized, get all your audio, video clip into the same folder, then import that into the software that you're using. Then after that, drag that down into the timeline, adjust what needs to be adjusted. Then after that, you just need to export your movie. So if everything's going smoothly, well, you just have to enjoy watching your movie. All right, that's it for this tutorial. Have a good one.